Okay, then you use this formula. See, first function is what? Tan inverse x into integration of second function minus integration of. So what you have to write here? See, integration of 1 is what? X. Integration of 1 with respect to x is x into derivative of, see, derivative of first function. What is first function? First function is tan inverse x, derivative of tan inverse x. Then tan inverse x, integration of 1 is what? X minus, see, integration of, I will write this x as it is. This x, I have written it as it is. Then see, derivative of tan inverse x. So derivative of tan inverse x, you know this formula, say derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. Observe this, 1 by 1 plus x square. It is the derivative of tan inverse x. Now observe this carefully, tan inverse x into x, I will write it as it is, minus, see, the problem is this one. Okay, I will show it here. See this portion, observe this. So what I got? See, I got integration of x divided by 1 plus x square. I have to integrate this. Okay. See, if you have to remember all the previous video classes. See, we have 4 standard forms. See, denominator is 1 plus x square, numerator is there x. So if I differentiate denominator, see, derivative of 1 plus x square is what? 2x. So here I have only x, I don't have 2. So I have to multiply and divide by 2. So I will multiply, say, observe this. I will multiply and divide by 2. So then I will get what? See, I have divided and multiplied by 2. I have written this x as it is. Now if I consider this as, see, if I consider this as my function, see, if I differentiate 1 plus x square, I will get what? 2x. I will get 2x. This is f dash x. Okay. Then this looks like, see, this whole thing is like this, f dash x divided by f of x. So if it is like this, I can write that as log of the denominator. So what is the answer? So half, you keep it as it is. So if I differentiate the denominator, I will get numerator. So half log of denominator. Denominator is what? 1 plus x plus constant of integration. So log is there, therefore I have written mod. So half as it is, log of denominator 1 plus x. So in this way we can integrate this tan inverse x. Okay, note down the solution. Then let us go for next problem, 8th problem. So integration of x square log x. So once again, log function is given. See, this is algebraic function, logarithmic function. See here. First we have to write logarithmic function and afterwards we can write algebraic function. So here we can interchange here. See, I will write log x first into x square. So this is u and this is my second function. Then first function is log x into integration of second function minus integration of, see, integration of x square is what? Integration of x square is, see, integration of x square is x cube by 3 into derivative of first function. You can write it directly also, okay? So derivative of u. So derivative of u means what? Log x. Derivative of log x is what? 1 by x. So write it directly. See, derivative of log x is 1 by x. Then log x into, see, integration of x square is x cube divided by 3 minus, see here, x cube, so 1x get cancels, you take this 3 outside, 1 by 3, integration of here, x square is left over here. Then log x into x cube by 3 minus 1 by 3, you write it as it is. Integration of x square is x cube by 3 plus constant of integration. So integration of x square is x cube by 3 using the power rule. So this is the required integral. Otherwise, you can multiply this in the next step. Okay, you can stop at this step also. So note down the solution of this. Then let us go for another problem, okay? See, ninth one. So let us integrate. X square into e to the power of x. So observe carefully. Algebraic function, exponential function. Okay, algebraic function and exponential function. So no need to interchange here. So take this as first function and this as second function because it is already according to the order. So now I can apply this formula. See, you have to write this formula for every problem. Okay, here I have written it. So that is first function is what? X square. See, into integration of second function with respect to x v dx minus integration of, see, integration of e to the power of x, integration of second function, integration of e to the power of x means integration of e to the power of x is e to the power of x only, into derivative of first function. So what is my first function? X square. What is the derivative of x square? Derivative of x square is 2x. So what I have to write? I have to write 2x. See, this derivative of u, that is derivative of x square is 2x. Then x square into, see, integration of e to the power of x is e to the power of x only, minus, so write the minus sign outside, okay, this minus sign outside. Then see, this 2 is constant, take outside the integral sign, 2, okay, 2 into, see, integration of, see, e to the power of x into x. So I have taken this 2 outside, see, e to the power of x into x. So that is exponential function and algebraic function. See, exponential and algebraic. So first we have to write algebraic function. So I will write first x into, afterwards I can write e to the power of x. See, observe this problem already done. We have already integrated this in our previous example. Okay, x into e to the power of x. We have to continue the same process for this one. So that is x square into e to the power of x minus this 2, you write it as it is. See, for this inside quantity, once again you apply the integration by parts, this formula. So this is the first function, this is the second function. See, I will write it here. Okay, first is u into integration of v, that is e to the power of x, minus integration of e to the power of x is what? Integration of e to the power of x is e to the power of x into derivative of first function. Derivative of x with respect to x is 1 only. So for that I have applied integration by parts. So that is x square into e to the power of x minus 2, then x into, say, integration of e to the power of x is e to the power of x only, minus integration of e to the power of x into 1 e to the power of x. So integration of e to the power of x is e to the power of x plus constant of integration. See this. So we have worked out this problem, same answer here. So next we can multiply by 2, otherwise we can leave at this step only. Okay, so if you want to multiply this 2 into this 2 into this, okay, I can write that also. X square into e to the power of x is minus 2 in, so 2x into e to the power of x, minus into minus, that is plus 2 into e to the power of x plus constant of integration. You can write this also. You can stop at this step or you can write this step also, no problem. Okay, this is all about this problem. Okay, next let us consider 10th problem. So let me put the number. So integration of, so observe this, x into secant square x. Observe this integration of x into secant square x. See, this is algebraic function, this is secant, is trigonometric function. See, algebraic function, trigonometric function. So no problem, no need to interchange here. So we can take this u as the first function. See, whatever the first function you will take, you must know the derivative of that function. If I take, see, x as my first function, derivative of x is what? 1. I can write it as, see, derivative of first. That's why I told in the beginning, success of this method depends upon the proper choice of your first function. So whatever the first function I select, I must be able to write the derivative of that. So that is Okay, first function is x into integration of integration of second function minus integration of integration of v, that is integration of secant square x. So integration of secant square x, I have to write integration of secant. Okay, I will write it. Integration of v dx. You observe this formula: integration of secant square x dx into, I will write derivative of first function. First function is x. I have selected x as the first function. X into, integration of secant square x is what? Integration of secant square x is tan x. Then minus, I will put this integration sign. Integration of the secant square x is tan x into derivative of x with respect to x is 1. Then that is x tan x. I will write this as it is minus integration of tan x. Tan x into 1 is tan x only. What is integration of tan x? You must know all the previous formulas. Okay, so integration of tan x. What is the integration of tan x? Integration of tan x is standard formula log secant x plus constant of integration. Okay, so in this session we have discussed about another technique of integration, which is called integration by parts. What it says if you want to integrate product of two functions like u into v, then you select the first function according to this preference, isolate. So you give first preference to inverse trigonometric function, afterwards logarithmic function, afterwards algebraic functions, afterwards trigonometric functions and exponential functions. Okay, according to this order or pattern, we have to select our first function. If my first function is u and second function is v, how can I integrate those two? First function into integration of second function minus integral of integrated function into derivative of first function. Okay, so we have worked out simple examples, 10 examples in this session. So let us work out some more examples based on this rule in the next class.